If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So this is the second video, and here I will show you how to stitch the Anarkali kurta. You can check the cutting in the first part on my channel. So let's get started. From here we will join the both part in this way. I will put a stitch. Here you can clearly see like this. Now I will join the base and the front piece from the neck. So like this I will stitch it. So place the clean side behind, so when you open it you will get a clean look like this. Now I have joined the neck of both the pieces, and to get good finish I will put some cuts on the curve of the neck in this way. Be sure that you don't cut the stitch. Okay, carefully you have to do this. So when you will open it you will get a good finish in this way. See, like this. In the same manner I will join the back piece. I have attached both the neck of the pieces, and I will put cut in the similar manner. Now I am attaching the bottom part strips. So in this way you have to take two strips and you have to put the stitch in this way. So after stitching these both strips, I am going to add one more strip in the same way. Here again you have to do the same thing. So now go on adding the strips in the same manner. We have to attach all the 7 strips. So now you can see I have attached all the 7 strips. To get the perfect shape for the base also, I will cut it in the same shape. So in this way you have to draw an arc, then you have to cut it, then only you will get the perfect shape. Now I will join both these pieces like this. In the same way you have to join the back part also. Now the top and the bottom part of the Anarkali is ready. We will sieve it in the middle now, like this. Also in the same way you have to sew the back part. This is the back part. Again you have to join it in the middle, so it will look like this. This is the bottom and this one is the top part, and now I am joining it from the middle in this way. So this is the front part I have attached, also the back part in the same way here. For joining the shoulders, place the back part, the clean portion, in this way, and above that you have to place the clean portion of the front piece. Okay, so in this way you have to place them. You have to join all the pieces together, then you have to put a stitch above it. Okay, here in this way you can put a stitch. After putting the stitch, you will get the clean finish in this way. So now to the other side also you have to do the same thing. As you can see, I have attached both the shoulders. Now I will attach the sleeves. Place the shoulder in this way, and you have to take the rough side, then you have to put the stitch. Here I am folding the sleeves. Now again in the same manner you have to join the second sleeve. I have joined both the shoulders, and now I will put a stitch over the neck to get good finish. So here in this way you have to carefully stitch the neck. I have put a stitch on the neck. If you want, you can flat iron this portion. The perfect length I want as 18 inch. So now here it is 22. So I will cut 2 from this side and here 2 inch. So 18 I will get. Now for half body, I want 16, so 1.5 from each side. So join this both. Now for the sleeves, I will mark 5 and I will join it now. So now I am giving the final fitting for the kurti. Now from here you separately join the fore and the base. As you can see, this beautiful Anarkali is ready now. It is giving perfect ethnic look. You can wear it for any functions, occasions. You must try it out, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and to get regular notification, please press the bell icon.